Hi, and welcome back to the Daily Tagalog, your space to learn the language with heart. Today's phrase is, Lagi kitang naiisip. It means I always think of you. Let's break it down and practice together. Lagi means always. Kita is a unique Filipino pronoun meaning you. That ng which sounds is a linker that connects lagi and kita. Naiisip means thinking of. So together, lagi kitang naiisip means I always think of you. Repeat after me. Lagi kitang naiisip. Slowly again. Lagi kitang naiisip. One more time, naturally. Lagi kitang naiisip. Let's say it again a few more times. Lagi kitang naiisip. With a smile. Lagi kitang naiisip. That's today's phrase. If you felt this one, you're not alone. Let your Tagalog grow one heartfelt line at a time. Comment how you would use this phrase, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back next time. Hanggang sa muli!